Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to log into your Poppy bank account online. I know this is a pretty basic question, but I get a lot of questions about it from my viewers. So, I thought it would be helpful to do a video on it. Before we get started, I want to say that I'm not affiliated with Poppy Bank in any way. I'm just a regular user who wants to help others. Also, I'm going to be using screenshots in this video, so I recommend watching it in HD. Now, let's get started. 1. Go to the Poppy Bank website. The first step is to go to the Poppy Bank website. You can do this by typing Poppy Bank into your web browser or by clicking on the link below. Poppy Bank website. Once you're on the website, click on the Login button. Login button on Poppy Bank website. 2. Enter your username and password. Next, you'll need to enter your username and password. Your username is your email address that you used when you signed up for your Poppy Bank account. Your password is the password that you created when you signed up for your Poppy Bank account. If you don't remember your username or password, you can click on the Forgot Your Username or Password. Forgot your username or password. Link on Poppy Bank website. 3. Click on the Login button. Once you've entered your username and password, click on the Login button. 4. You're logged in. If you've entered your username and password correctly, you'll be logged into your Poppy Bank account. 5. What can you do on your Poppy Bank account? Once you're logged into your Poppy Bank account, you can do a number of things, such as view your account balance, transfer money between accounts, pay bills, apply for a loan, and more. 6. How to log out of your Poppy Bank account. When you're finished using your Poppy Bank account, it's important to log out. To log out, click on the Logout button in the top right corner of the screen. Logout button on Poppy Bank website. 7. Tips for staying safe online. When you're using your Poppy Bank account online, it's important to stay safe. Here are a few tips. Never share your username or password with anyone. Be careful when clicking on links in emails or on social media. Use a strong password that is difficult to guess. Change your password regularly. Use a secure internet connection. Be aware of phishing scams. I hope this video has helped you learn how to log into your Poppy Bank account online. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.